tutorial showing you guys how I got this look. It's a very cute look if you're going out to eat, running errands, something cute and simple. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoyed making this video and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, I'm Asia Ali and this is going to be my first makeup tutorial. Just going to do a look and we'll see where it goes. Alright, I'm starting out with moisturizing my face. I'm going to use just my Rose Daily Moisturizer from Simone Rose. It's a natural skincare, handcrafted with argan oil and organic honey. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to use that and moisturize my face. So I'm just gonna put some on my face to moisturize it. Just want to prep my face for the makeup so it goes on well. Okay, so my skin is nice and moisturized. So next I'm going to apply some foundation, and this is the Black Radiance Foundation Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup, and this is in the color Mocha Honey. I'm just gonna go in and just start applying that to my face so that I can get my face all nice. All right, I'm going to Makeup Beauty Blender to blend it out. That's that. I don't need a lot of foundation. I don't like it to look cakey. I don't use a lot, and I don't think I need a lot anyway. Now that I've got my foundation on, I'm going to start doing my eyebrows.
Your eyebrows?
Excuse the background, it's my son and he wants to see what I'm doing, so he's here. I am going to start filling my eyebrow in. Quick hack that I'm doing, actually, I'm using a dark concealer to shade in my eyebrows. This is just something I like to do. It's easy. So that's one brow. I'm gonna go in and do the other brow now. I mean, everybody uses different things. Some people might use eyebrow pencils. I just don't have an eyebrow pencil right now. To just go in with some concealer. Well, not really how I do them, but this is just how I'm gonna do them today. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use color from this concealer palette that I have. A little messy, but I've been using it. So now I'm just gonna go in with some concealer. Alright. And I'm gonna use some around my eyebrows as well. Just gonna make sure that it's well blended. Okay. blend out my eyebrow. Okay. Alright. Next, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start to contour my face. So I'm just gonna go down my nose bridge.
Hey, Lord,
Contour my cheekbone. Going to
sexy.
contour right here.
We're gonna do so sexy.
And now we're just going to blend it in. Alright, so I'm going to also take a lighter concealer just to highlight my nose. Just the bridge of the nose, and right here, and a little bit on my chin, just to give a highlight, and some on my forehead.
Hey, put it on, guys.
My contour lines are not coming up enough. I'm gonna actually go back in with a deeper contour stick. Milani contour highlight. It's cream and liquid highlight cream contour. I go back in with that on my cheekbones just to make sure that everything is defined. And I'm going to do it down my nose as well because I want to have that definition in my face. Now I'm gonna just blend that out as well.
We're gonna do some breakfast.
And that's just gonna give me a deeper look. I like how my cheekbones pop like this. So now, I'm going to put some setting powder on my face to bake my face a little bit. I'm going to be using this Black Radiance translucent powder. I'm just going to let that sit on there for a little bit. I'm going to use this Must Have palette by Beauty Glaze. I found this palette on Amazon. There are some matte colors and some glitter colors. It's pretty. So I'm gonna use this purple, this purple shade right here. It's glittery, I like it, it's fun, fresh. I want this part to pop. It's a very pretty shade. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a yellow goldish color. And I'm gonna go on the top of my eyelid with that color. But I really want my eyelid to pop. And just shade that in. Colorful, eccentric type of look. I'm gonna take this color right here, this brown. I'm gonna put that in the middle right here. Kind of tribal look. I want it to, play into that. Just dust off anything that's left from the translucent powder. I'm going to use the highlight part of it now, and I'm going to highlight my nose. A little bit of natural look to it. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to go in and do my mascara. I don't usually wear lashes. I like my natural look, my natural eyelashes. Colossal Spider Effect mascara. So it gives my eyelashes that elongated look. Oops. Got a little bit right there. Just let me get that. Okay, whoops. Alright, so now lip color. Red, and just outline my lips. I'm gonna go in with this purple shade from Black Radiance, and I'm gonna mix the two. So I just like that pop. So there is my lips. This is a quick, simple look for you. Just something nice and easy. I think it's very pretty. So yeah, that is my makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you again. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.